Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the main theme of the podcast, My Favorite Murder? Is it A, cooking tips, B, true crime stories, or C, travel advice? It is B, true crime stories. What is the primary purpose of vibrato in singing? Is it A, change tempo, B, increase volume, or C, enhance pitch expression? It is C, enhance pitch expression. What term describes the earliest stage of human development from a fertilized egg? Is it A, fetus, B, embryo, or C, zygote? It is C, zygote. What service does Cash App primarily provide to its users? Is it A, investment banking, B, online shopping, or C, money transfers? It is C, money transfers. What is the primary characteristic of labradorite that makes it a popular gemstone? Is it A, high hardness, B, color-changing effect, or C, transparency? It is B, color-changing effect. What is the popular open-source automation server used for continuous integration? Is it A, Kubernetes, B, Docker, or C, Jenkins? It is C, Jenkins. Which river is Victoria Falls located on? Is it A, Nile River, B, Zambezi River, or C, Amazon River? It is B, Zambezi River. What revolutionary movement is Che Guevara most known for participating in? Is it A, Cuban Revolution, B, Mexican Revolution, or C, Haitian Revolution? It is A, Cuban Revolution. What is the main product that Moroni is known for selling at its food stalls? Is it A, popcorn, B, roasted chestnuts, or C, sausages? It is B, roasted chestnuts. What type of products does Warby Parker primarily sell? Is it A, shoes, B, glasses, or C, watches? It is B, glasses. Which ancient king is famous for creating one of the largest empires in history? Is it A, Julius Caesar, B, Alexander the Great, or C, Genghis Khan? It is B, Alexander the Great. Which significant cryptocurrency did Nayib Bukele make legal tender in El Salvador? Is it A, Litecoin, B, Ethereum, or C, Bitcoin? It is C, Bitcoin. What is the Capitol building in Washington, D.C. primarily known for? Is it A, serving as a presidential residence, B, housing the U.S. Congress, or C, as a historic museum? It is B, housing the U.S. Congress. Which branch of theoretical physics does M-theory aim to unify? Is it A, string theory, B, quantum mechanics, or C, relativity? It is A, string theory. What was the main cause of the Spanish-American War in 1898? Is it A, gold rush, B, Cuban independence, or C, civil rights? It is B, Cuban independence. What is the prestigious award given to the winner of the Masters Golf Tournament? Is it A, green jacket, B, blue cap, or C, gold trophy? It is A, green jacket. What event is celebrated in Albuquerque annually? Is it A, balloon fiesta, B, music festival, or C, art fair? It is A, balloon fiesta. What type of cuisine is dim sum associated with? Is it A, Chinese, B, Italian, or C, Japanese? It is A. Chinese. Which political treatise is Niccolò Machiavelli best known for? Is it A. The Prince, B. The Republic, or C. The Leviathan? It is A. The Prince. What does the right to repair movement advocate for regarding consumer electronics? Is it A. Lower prices, B. Extended warranties, or C. Access to repair information? It is C. Access to repair information. Which fundamental concept in physics was established by Isaac Newton regarding the relationship between a body and the forces acting on it? Is it A. Theory of relativity, B. Laws of motion, or C. Law of conservation? It is B. Laws of motion. What is a key characteristic of a white dwarf star? Is it A. It is very dense, B. It is a type of red giant, or C. It produces energy through fusion? It is A. It is very dense. What allows butterflies to maintain their body temperature? Is it A. Insulation layer, B. Solar radiation, or C. Metabolic rate? It is C. Metabolic rate. What is chalcedony primarily known as? Is it A. A type of marble, B. A type of quartz, or C. A type of granite? It is B. A type of quartz. What is tikka primarily known as in Indian cuisine? Is it A. A dessert, B. A type of bread, or C. A spiced meat dish? It is C. A spiced meat dish. Which era is most closely associated with Queen Victoria's reign? Is it A. Elizabethan era, B. Victorian era, or C. Georgian era? It is B. Victorian era. Which geographic region in East Africa includes Somalia and Ethiopia? Is it A. Sahara, B. Horn of Africa, or C. Great Rift Valley? It is B. Horn of Africa. Which sport is the Australian Open primarily associated with? Is it A. Rugby, B. Cricket, or C. Tennis? It is C. Tennis. What does Einstein's theory of relativity primarily explain about the relationship between space and time? Is it A. They are independent, B. They are interconnected, or C. They are infinite? It is B. They are interconnected. Which process involves the regrowth of damaged or lost tissues in organisms? Is it A. Regeneration, B. Digestion, or C. Respiration? It is A. Regeneration. Which philosophical movement emphasizes practical consequences and real-world applications as the basis of meaning and truth? Is it A. Rationalism, B. Idealism, or C. Pragmatism? It is C. Pragmatism. What type of musical instrument is a shakuhachi? Is it A. Percussion instrument, B. String instrument, or C. Bamboo flute? It is C. Bamboo flute. What movie features the song Lose Yourself by Eminem? Is it A. The Pursuit of Happiness, B. 8 Mile, or C. A Star is Born? It is B. 8 Mile. What is the primary function of a lysosome in a cell? Is it A. Waste digestion, B. Protein synthesis, or C. Energy production? It is A. Waste digestion. What type of sauce is velouté classified as in French cuisine? Is it A. Cream-based, B. Stock-based, or C. Tomato-based? It is B. Stock-based. What is the iconic landmark known for its iron lattice tower located in Paris, France? Is it A. Louvre Museum, B. Eiffel Tower, or C. Notre Dame Cathedral? It is B. Eiffel Tower. What is the primary process that electrolysis is used for in chemistry? Is it A, breaking down compounds, B, mixing liquids, or C, heating substances? It is A, breaking down compounds. In which novel by Harper Lee does Atticus Finch serve as a moral role model and defend a black man accused of rape? Is it A, The Great Gatsby, B, Go Set a Watchman, or C, To Kill a Mockingbird? It is C, To Kill a Mockingbird. What year did the Berlin Wall fall, marking the end of the Cold War? Is it A, 1991, B, 1975, or C, 1989? It is C, 1989. What is the primary text associated with Kabbalah teachings? Is it A, Zohar, B, Torah, or C, Talmud? It is A, Zohar. Which singer is known for hits like Single Ladies and Crazy in Love? Is it A, Alicia Keys, B, Rihanna, or C, Beyoncé? It is C, Beyoncé. Which countries are primarily located on the Scandinavian peninsula? Is it A, Denmark and Finland, B, Norway and Sweden, or C, Iceland and Estonia? It is B, Norway and Sweden. Which country did Idi Amin serve as the president of? Is it A, Kenya, B, Uganda, or C, Tanzania? It is B, Uganda. What is the main purpose of a military operation? Is it A, provide medical assistance, B, conduct scientific research, or C, achieve strategic objectives? It is C, achieve strategic objectives. What term describes a volcano that erupts beneath the ocean's surface? Is it A, coastal volcano, B, underwater volcano, or C, subglacial volcano? It is B, underwater volcano. What is the capital city of Cyprus? Is it A, Larnaca, B, Limassol, or C, Nicosia? It is C, Nicosia. What significant outcome resulted from the Battle of Saratoga in 1777? Is it A, secured Canadian territory, B, ended the Revolutionary War, or C, boosted French support? It is C, boosted French support. What was the primary purpose of the Colosseum in ancient Rome? Is it A, religious ceremonies, B, art exhibitions, or C, gladiatorial contests? It is C, gladiatorial contests. What language family do Arabic dialects belong to? Is it A, Semitic, B, Indo-European, or C, Germanic? It is A, Semitic. What is the primary objective of the game of baseball? Is it A, hit the ball, B, score runs, or C, catch the ball? It is B, score runs. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.